Hey guys, this is Jordan from Rapido Trains Inc. and it's time for another unboxing video. We have our HO scale C30-7 locomotives in HO scale. Now we've got quite a few different road names that we've made in the first run. As you can see here, I already have several of them unboxed. We've got Santa Fe in the delivery scheme, Norfolk Southern as they appeared in the 80s and 1990s. We have Union Pacific. This was an early renumbering, I believe around 78, 79 when they went into the 2400 series. Conrail, of course, with the big anti-climbers and all those kind of cool details. CSX as they appeared kind of in the mid to late 90s and onwards. This includes ditch lights on this particular run. One of my personal favorites, this is the Norfolk and Western C30-7, has those really cool triple clasp trucks. Also, we've got Virginia and Ohio. This is actually a custom run for home shops, and they are going to be shipping out pretty soon, probably in the next couple of weeks. Also, I'm probably going to have to grab one of these myself. Alan McClellan's V&O was probably one of the first kind of model railroads that got me into trains back in the early 90s. Now, I have one more here that I haven't unboxed. This is the Nacionales de Mexico. Probably said that wrong. C30-7, and I'm going to unbox it right now. First off, let's take off the lid. You've got the normal stuff. You've got all the parts diagrams and whatnot. This information is also available through our website if you go to the service section. And of course, the instruction manual, you'll definitely want to give that a read. It's always lots of fun. Again, available through our website if you want to have a look at that. We've got stickers, as always, including a new C30-7 sticker with a Santa Fe unit on the cover, or on the front there. Let's get that out of the way and open up the locomotive itself. Before I actually get this open up, we do have a poly bag that comes with each locomotive. This particular one comes with the class flags. So you either have the white extra flags or the green section flags in the poly bag, and you can install them on your locomotive as you prefer. So next, let's pull it out of the box. Put that aside. Take the foam blocks off the ends, slide it out of the sleeve. There we go. Comes together very cleanly, or comes apart very cleanly. And we'll just pop these foam blocks out of the railings. Now, speaking of the railings, all our C30-7 models come with our metal railings with the plastic stanchions, and they just look really cool, and they're very durable too. And there we go. There's the end-to-M C30-7, and I believe this may be the first Mexican locomotive we've ever put out, and the first of many. We've also got our C36s in development now. We should have tooled samples before too long, so you want to stay tuned for that. So just to give you a quick overview, depending on which version you have different cabs. You either have the earlier 4-window cabs, you have the later versions as they were plated over as FRA rules changed in the late 70s, early 1980s. We've got two distinct trucks, either the Adirondack or the Rockwell style trucks, and with each version of those we have different sub-variants. For the N&W version in particular, this has the triple clasp trucks, which are so distinctive on those units, and some of the other ones as well. Full cab interiors, you've got full lighting, so headlights, cab interior lights, you have nose class lights as appropriate. You also have the track inspection lights, and you have the stepwell lights, just you can kind of see them underneath there. Of course, each unit has prototypically correct horns, bells. You also have different antennas. You either have the Sinclair or the Firecracker style antennas. You've got full walkway detail. You've got etched metal grates over the radiators. Even some different beacons as well. So Santa Fe has the operating strato beacon. UP has the kind of the single flashing beacon, and those operate, of course, in DCC sound. One other unit we don't have on display here is Burlington Northern in the Cascade Green. Due to a factory painting error with the anti-climbers, we're actually sending them all back for some paint adjustments. So those will be a little bit delayed. They are coming in the new year, though. So thanks once again for joining me for this quick look at our all-new HO Scale C30-7 models. These are hitting stores like I mentioned before, so get your orders in today. We will see you very soon for another unboxing video. Stay tuned for that soon. Bye now.
Lunatics!